Welcome back to Hands-on Equations with Lesson 20. Today we're going to solve equations involving red and green number cubes as well as pawns of one color on both sides of the setup. So we're going to start with this problem. We have 2x plus a negative 3 equals 5 plus x. So we're going to start with our two x's. And then we're going to add a negative 3. So that is a green cube. Those are our opposite of 3. See if I can get the glare off of that. It's a little better. And on the right side we have a positive 5 and an x. So first we want to look at numbers. But actually on this problem we could look at pawns first. Can we take off a pawn from each side? In this case we have pawns on both sides, so we can remove two pawns, one from each side, off of the balance. Now we have one pawn plus a negative 3 equals positive 5. We only have pawns on this left side, so we want to get rid of this opposite of 3. In order to get rid of that, we need to create a zero pair. So we're going to take our green cube, and to that we are going to add a red cube that creates a zero pair. If we add a red cube on the left, we also must add a red cube on the right. So now we have pawn plus the opposite of 3 plus 3 equals 8. What do we know about the opposite of 3 and 3? Well, we know that this is a zero pair and we can remove it. So now we have pawn is equal to 8. So for this equation, we know that x equals 8. That means that star would equal the opposite of 8, and then we have our check. We're going to set back up in our original problem. 2x plus the opposite of 3 equals 5 plus x. So the x is 8. We're going to add 8 plus 8, which is 16, and 16 take away 3 is 13. Now we have 8 plus 5, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So that is a check. Our answers for x equals 8 and star equals negative 8 are correct. Let's start a new problem. Let me adjust this. There we go. And start a new problem. So let's set this up. We have 3 stars. And we're going to remove the opposite of 5. To remove the opposite of 5, we have to have a opposite of 5 on there. So we don't have that. So we need to add a zero pair, and that allows us to now remove the opposite of 5. And this is the opposite of 5, and the minus sign here tells us that we're going to remove that opposite of 5. So that leaves us with 3 stars and a 5, positive 5. On the right hand side we have the opposite of 2, and then we have 2 stars. So how do we solve 3 stars plus 5 equals the opposite of 2 plus 2 stars, I'm sorry. So in this case we have stars on both sides and we have number cubes. So let's go ahead and take off the stars first. That'll help us understand where we need to keep our number cube. So in this case we have 3 stars on the left and we have 2 stars on the right. The most we can take off, understanding we must take off the same amount, would be 2 stars off of each side. And we'll set them to the side. That leaves us with 1 star plus a 5 is equal to the opposite of 2. We need to move our positive 5. We can't just move it over to the other side. We have to do the opposite. So in order to to get rid of a positive 5, we have to add the opposite of 5 to it. Well, if we do it on the left side, we also must do it on the right. Now we know that the 5 and the opposite of 5 are a 0 pair, so we're going to remove those from our balance. Now we know that 1 star is equal to the opposite of 7, which means our x is equal to 7. And let's do our check. Let's set back up to what we originally had with 3 stars on the left, and we ended up with a positive 5 on that side, and then the opposite of 2 and 2 stars. So we're going to plug in for star. That's an opposite of 7. So we would do -7 plus -7 is -14. And -14 plus -7 is -21. We're going to add to that a positive 5, which gives us a -16. Now we have 2 stars. -7 plus -7 is -14, and this is a -2, so that gives us -16. -16 is equal to -16, so that is a check. Okay, here's another problem. And in this problem, we're going to have opposite numbers and opposite pawns, as in pawns and stars. So we're going to start on the left with 4 pawns. And we need to take away a positive 3. So in order to take away something we don't have, we need to add a 0 pair. Of 3s. So we have a 3 and the opposite of 3. And now it tells us we need to remove the positive 3. So we're going to take this positive 3 off. And now we have 4 pawns and the opposite of 3 on the left. And then we have 2 stars and a 9 on the right. So this one's a little tricky because we don't have pawns on both sides, we don't have stars on both sides, we don't have negatives on both sides, and we don't have positives on both sides. So we're going to have to work with 0 pairs. So if we have 4 pawns on this side and 2 stars over here, I'm thinking that the easiest way to get rid of, since I only have 2 stars, I'm going to work on getting rid of those. And in order to get rid of these 2 stars, I would need to add 2 pawns to it. Well, if I add 2 pawns to the right side, I also have to add 2 pawns to the left side. Now I have 2 0 pairs, so I'm going to remove them one at a time. And that leaves me with 6 pawns plus the opposite of 3 equals 9. How do we move the opposite of 3? Well, we need to create a 0 pair. So if we add a 3 to the left side, we're also going to have to add a 3 to the right side. What is the opposite of 3 and 3 total? That totals 0. That's a 0 pair. We're going to remove them from the balance. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pawns is equal to 12. If 6 pawns is equal to 12, I can use some simple division, and 12 divided by 6 gives me 2. And then let's figure out what our star is. Well, our star is just the opposite of what our x was. So star is equal to the opposite of 2. And then we have our check. So we're going to go back to the opposite of 3, 9, and 2 stars. Okay, so we've got 4 pawns plus 3 equals 2 stars plus 9. And we're going to plug in a positive 2 for the pawns. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 3 is 11. And 9 minus 4 is 5. I believe I did something wrong.